Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. I am Mrs. Sabah Abdelwahab and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our session on Chapter 11, File Management, where we will focus on executing the essential practical steps you need for success on exam day. As the saying goes, master the files, master the exam. We have 4 key waypoints today. First, setting up your workspace with a hierarchical structure. Second, manage your evidence by identifying different file types and their uses. Third, transforming and optimizing data by exporting it into package-specific formats and reducing file sizes. Finally, proving your work by saving and printing in a variety of formats. Remember, every task requires proof, and your folder are your foundation. Step 1 is all about preparation. Start by navigating to your designated drive. Right-click in the empty space, select New, and then Folder. You must name it exactly as instructed, which is usually your candidate number. Here is a crucial exam tip. Never save files randomly on the desktop. Always use your dedicated exam folder. Let me show you how. First, open File Explorer down here on the taskbar. Then choose the partition and in empty space, make right click, then choose New, then Folder, and write here your name and followed by candidate number, something like, and here is, and click enter or in empty space. This folder, the exam workspace. Your all evidence must be placed here, okay? The core concept here is that organizing files properly saves time, storage space, and keeps your workspace clutter-free. For your practice task, open your main candidate folder and create a new folder named School folder, Work. Then open School Work and create 2 more subfolders, Projects and Backups. You have now successfully built a hierarchical structure. Now let me show you how to create hierarchical structure. First, I will open D and I will open candidate folder here that we named before. Then I will create subfolder here. You can make right click and choose new folder or choose new from here up. Okay. Now this folder I will name it school work. Then I will open it and create here 2 subfolders. I will make right click, new, and choose folder. The first folder I will name it projects, and another folder I will name it backups. Okay. Now I have built hierarchical structure in your candidate folder. Make subfolder school work, and inside school work 2 subfolders here to be organized. Now let's see how we organize files in a practical way. At the top, we have raw data. These are files that are mixed together and not organized. So, step 1, locate the file you want to move. Step 2, decide what you want to do. Press Ctrl X to cut, or right click the file, then choose cut from context menu, okay, to move it, or press Ctrl C to copy, or right click the file and choose copy from context menu, then uh, make paste it to keep the original. Okay, step 3, open the destination folder and press Ctrl V, or right click and choose paste the file. Okay, you can also drag and drop the file using your mouse instead of the keyboard shortcuts. Finally, your files are stored in their organized home, making them much easier to find and manage. Let me show you how put draw data or chaotic inputs to sorted output organized home. I will select the raw data here. I will press Ctrl and select the files as you like, and make drag and drop. Drag one of them and put it inside the schoolwork folder like this. Observe it. Another method, I will make cut and paste. Cut and paste. I will select the files first, and right click the files and choose cut, and go to the school work and make or right click the folder and choose paste. Transfer. The third way, or the third method, copy and paste. Copy and paste. I will choose all the files here and right click the files and choose copy or Ctrl C from the keyboard and paste here. Did you see the original files still here? Okay, there is another copy inside. Let me see this. Another copy. Okay, that's it. The action matrix, copying versus cutting. Copy, to copy, press Ctrl plus C from the keyboard or right click the file and choose copy. The action here duplicates a file. The result, the file exists in both the original location and the new location. The workflow here, highlight file, Ctrl C, or right click the file and choose copy, and navigate and press Ctrl plus V from the keyboard, or right click the file and choose paste. Here is the original file folder and the new folder. Cut, to cut, press Ctrl plus X. The action here relocates a file. The result, the file is removed from the original location and dropped perfectly into its new original organized home. The workflow highlight file, then press Ctrl plus X from the keyboard or right click the file and choose cut. Navigate to the folder and choose Ctrl plus V from the keyboard or choose paste from right click the folder. And here is the original folder is not here, and new folder here transform to the another place. Okay, that's it. Step 2 involves your evidence document, which is your master file. First, open the provided generic file, such as an .rtf file. The golden rule is to insert your name, center number, and candidate number into the header or footer so it appears on every single page. Use Save As to save this into your workspace as evidence, okay? Followed by your candidate number. A vital warning printout with handwritten candidate details will not be marked. Everything must be typed, okay? Let me show you how to create the master file in the exam. First, I will create the master file folder here. Right click, new folder, and I will name it with your name, maybe followed by candidate number. Okay, and inside the folder you have to put the main source that will be provided to your paper 2 of the Cambridge exam here. Okay, here you have the paper 2 question and the source or the main folder, main source folder. Okay, here is the RTF file, its name evidence. Okay, I will open it. You have to write in the header or footer of this document your name and your center name and your candidate name. Let me show you how. Double click here in this space, okay, will header will be appear, okay, and write your name, then candidate center number, then followed by candidate number. Okay, and make it center. And you have to save as this file to docs. Okay, how? From file, save as, not save as. Okay, and choose the main folder from this PC. We made it in D partition. Okay, and search about your main folder here. This is your main folder, and save it here, but with type, save as type docs. Okay, here is okay, choose this one and change the name to evidence evidence followed by your candidate number like this, and save and click save. Okay, be sure that docs, okay, and save as type Word document or docs. Then choose save, press OK. Here is docs, docs. Okay, that's it. Let's emphasize this again. Print out with handwritten candidate details will not be part. You must enter your name, center number, and candidate number on every document before it's sent to the printer. Okay, the examiner must see it typed by the software to aware your marks. To manage your files, you must also know how to delete and print. Deleting permanently removes a file. Use this in an exam context to clear out rough copies or errors to ensure you don't submit the wrong work. Always double check before deleting, as it is hard to recover files once they are gone. When printing to get a hard copy, always verify your page layout, headers, and footers in print preview before clicking print. Think of generic formats like .rtf or .csv as basic cardboard boxes. They can be opened by almost any software but don't support advanced features. Package specific formats like .docs for Word or XLSX for Excel are like steel carrots. They support complex formatting formulas and software-specific tools. Additionally, saving as a.pdf is like using a universal shipping carrot that freezes your formatting so it looks identical on every machine. Let me show you how to convert from generic files to specific format and vice versa. Now I want to open my workspace. Here the main folder that you will put everything, your evidence here, and create new file, and I will name it my work. Sorry, my work space. And I will open this folder. I want to convert this file RTF to Word. So I will open it, and as we said, I will write here your name and your candidate number, your center number, then your candidate number. Okay, and make it center and save it to docs. Okay, save as and choose my workspace here and choose the resources, my workspace, and change the type to Word docs. Okay, we make another copy here. So we have now another copy in my workspace docs. Okay, and we will convert this file .csv to xlx. Okay, I will open it first and click File, Save As. I will choose my workspace folder here. And I will change the extension here to XLSX. Okay, to use Excel program to manipulate it. Okay, then click Save. So I made another copy in my workspace .xlsx. Okay, now I want to change this document to PDF. I will open it like this and choose File, choose Save As, choose my workspace, and choose here PDF. Save. Now I have 3 files here, 3 files. .xlsx and .docs and .pdf. You may be asked to explain 2 reasons why file compression is used. First, it reduces the time it takes to transmit files across a network or over the internet. Second, it reduces the amount of storage space the file take up on a hard disk. There are 3 main ways to optimize files. First, resizing. Resizing involves changing the physical dimensions by altering the width and height in pixels. Second, resampling. Resampling changes the resolution or quality by lowering the DPI or compression color data, which reduces the file size without changing physical dimensions. Finally, file compression. File compression packages data efficiently using software like .zip or .jar to reduce size without significant visual quality loss. Let me show you how to reduce file size in 3 methods. First, I will open the Photoshop program here and click File and Open, and I will choose from the evidence this file .jpg, will appear here. To resize this image, physically open image and choose image size. Here the width and height in pixels. Here is 254. You can change it to 154. Okay, it will be smaller than that. And choose OK and open file and export it to PNG or export as any type as you like. To reduce the second way, or the method 2, resampling image. I will close this one and open the image file here and make resampling for it. We'll open image menu, then choose file image size. Here is the resolution in pixels, 170. I will change it to 50. Okay, and click OK. Open file, export to PNG. Here is PNG extension, and put it in your work space. Save. Click save. The third method to resize or reduce file size. Open your workspace, and here's to reduce this folder, reduce file size. Make right click and choose make right click here, right click this file, this folder, and choose compress to file zip. This file compressed. I will put it in my work space. Flawless screenshot evidence. You will be asked to prove you save file correctly by taking a screenshot of your work folder. How to do it? Press the print screen from the keyboard, okay, or press Shift plus Windows plus S from the keyboard, okay, to take a screenshot. Then paste it into your evidence document that we mentioned before. Critical exam requirements: make sure the File Explorer view is set to details the examiner must be able to see the file name, date modified, and most importantly, file type extension. Okay, let me show you how to do it. First of all, open your workspace evidence, your folder here, main folder. Then open your workspace and open here view in details. Okay, then you have to expand this columns to show more details like this. You can make a double click here or here, okay, to show the date modified and type of this folder or file. Okay, now you have to take a screenshot. You can click on print screen from the keyboard, and take that screenshot like this. Okay, you have to show the date modified and type and size. Okay, then choose open your evidence file. And put your evidence here. And click Ctrl V to paste it like this. Okay, that's it. Your paper 2 exam day checklist. Ask yourself this question. Did I build my workspace folder? Yes. Is evidence followed by your candidate number saved? Are my name and your center number and candidate number typed in the header? Yes. Did I change generic formats to into specific software formats, .docs and .xlsx using save as? Yes. Do my screenshots clearly show details of you with the file extensions visible? Yes. Master the files, master the exam. Assalamu alaikum.